We're off to Sydney Airport. This will be the first time I've been on a plane since February 2020 when I returned from a work trip in the US. We're heading to Cairns today for a much needed family holiday in the sun, and we're flying Qantas. This is the domestic terminal for Qantas in Sydney, so still fairly quiet, so it doesn't look like things have returned to normal just yet. Now, I can't actually see our plane that will be flying up to Cairns, but this is a similar Airbus A330-200. Waiting to jump aboard. We've got a flight time today, I think of about 3 hours and 10 minutes. So it'll be interesting to see what the service is like on this flight heading up to Cairns. Looking forward to it. I'm actually sitting in the aisle, so I got one of the kids to film out the window for you. Here's the legroom you can expect if you're over 6 foot. This is a 2-4-2 configuration, this seating. We've been given an iPad with a fair selection of entertainment included, which I think should be a minimum for a 3-hour plus flight. On the way of refreshment, this is all we got for 3 hours plus flight. A muesli bar and a couple of drinks the size of thimbles. Not good enough, Qantas. Insult to injury, the entertainment system was down for half the flight. Overall recommendation, don't fly Qantas to Cairns. Take Virgin or Jetstar.